at the duck pond. I got a buddy coming over here in a little while. John Hogan, he's the one with the Gehl skid steer. He's going to bring me some special mouse bait, and he's probably going to try out the Bobcat, the T650. So I figured I'd make a few piles of dirt for him to move around and accomplish something at the same time. So just skimming farther back on the duck pond. You can go ahead whenever you're ready to start.
All right, buddy.
I got John on the Bobcat. He's giving it a try. He's got a Gehl RT215. Stacking the good dirt over here, separating it so I know what's good dirt in the future.
Landing.
Oh, come on. Batteries are dead, I guess.
All right. Trying out Joe's new 650. Come over and brought him some mouse bait. They were getting into his equipment. See if we can get that stopped for him.
Hey guys, Kapper here and welcome back. So I apologize for the audio. I failed to instruct John to put the throttle down and speak up a little bit. So it's kind of hard with the GoPro, but we will improvise, adapt, and overcome. So this is John Hogan. He owns his own pest control company. He brought me some nuclear mouse squares to put in all of my machines. So we're going to give that a whirl and see if we can knock down the mouse problem. But in the meantime, let's have some fun on the machines. I wouldn't. But we'll see if we could cheat Mother Nature out of a couple hours of dirt work. I still can't believe I tweaked my elbow like that. I mean, this thing, I mean, it flipping hurts. I hope I didn't tear something. For all of you new guys or anybody that's new, this duck pond has been a work in progress for years. This last fall was the first year that I had successfully flooded it and had some millet and milo in there. I don't know if we got any ducks, but it should be much better. So what I do out here is I'm skimming the black dirt, or at least for our area it's good dirt, until I hit the orange clay, and I'm saving all the dirt for food plots and gardens and stuff like that. And the clay is going on, gonna beef up this dam a lot more, and I got a lot of other places that need fill on the farm. So we're just skimming some black dirt right now. At least what we call black dirt. Check back in here in a little while. Rock and roll in the excavator. Ciao, froggies. Everybody's doing good in the lockdown. It sounds like it's pretty much worldwide. Although if you're in a country that doesn't have it, consider yourself lucky right now.